Welcome to a special Mother's Day edition with Dewey CK. Today, we're making fluffy pancakes perfect for celebrating the most important woman in your life. Begin with 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix the dry ingredients in a bowl. In another bowl, whisk together 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Combine the wet and dry ingredients, stirring gently to avoid overmixing. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and grease lightly. Pour a 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the skillet. Cook until bubbles form on the surface, then flip and cook until golden brown. Serve with fresh berries, whipped cream, or maple syrup. But wait, there's a story behind these delicious pancakes. Pancakes have been around since ancient times, with variations in every culture. In the US, they became a breakfast staple in the 19th century, evolving from Johnny cakes and flapjacks. By the early 20th century, they were a beloved part of American brunches, especially on special occasions like Mother's Day. So this Mother's Day, treat your mom to a delightful brunch and share the rich history of this breakfast classic. Let's make this day as sweet and memorable as these pancakes.